Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I have my eyebrow tutorial video. So I just want to show you my eyebrow tutorial because I've had so many requests on YouTube. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to do it. And it's a very quick tutorial, and it can take you from 5 minutes to 20, depends how kind of precise you do it. But there's 3 steps to it, and I really like kind of bushy, like model off-duty kind of eyebrows. I really do. I just think they look amazing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just explain what's on my face, and I will take you through the tutorial. It's not even a tutorial. I hate tutorials. You know what? I can't stand those words. My kind of bushy brow kind of look, I think, that doesn't make sense, does it? My brushy eyebrow technique, I don't know. So anyway, I've used this on my face today. This is the Dior Forever Glow. Okay, that should be okay. So I've used the Forever Skin Glow by Dior, and it's absolutely amazing. I need to stock up actually. I just love it. I think it's amazing. It's so good. And basically that's it. I've added a bit of bronzer because I didn't want to look like the living dead when I went on camera. But apart from that, I've just put some lip gloss, the High Shine lip gloss from Primark. Try not to show my nails because 2 of them have come off at the same place and on the same finger, which is crazy, but I'm getting them done tomorrow. But I thought I need to put this video out for you guys. I need to start filming. Guys, I have a massive spot here that I need to try and hide. So please don't look at me there. So, that's pretty much it. I'm going to get on to the tutorial. So what I use, I don't really use any kind of high-end. I'm really in love with this lip gloss. Sorry, guys. It's lovely. It's from e.l.f. I'll show it towards the end. I don't really use any high-end kind of products anymore. I used to use this one, the Mr. Brow Filler by Givenchy. That's the one there. But, I mean, the applicator was great. Can you see? There's actually some product in there. I might actually use it. But it was drying out, really. But seems to be something in there. This wasn't too expensive. But what I'm going to use is, I use the, what do I use? This is the dark brown pencil by Rimmel, and this is the colour. I really love this. This is what I use to draw my eyebrows on. Then I use the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. So yeah, this is what I use. I use this, this is in the shade 3. This is a spoolie, and then I use the kind of pencil there. Can you see, guys? I hope it's in focus. If it's not, I'll die. And to end with, I use the Ready Set Brow by Benefit too, which is so amazing. So I'm going to get into it now, guys. The first thing I do is I brush all my hairs of my eyebrows. All up, brush them up. Now I've plucked my eyebrows, but I don't know if they're completely, you know, kind of all kind of pluck free. So I do apologise if I do have some stray hairs going on. Okay, so then I just, can you see what I'm doing? Just kind of going upwards. And then I use this kind of crayon. This is like a crayon, I call it. And what I do is I draw kind of a narrow kind of line underneath, but very slight, and it just goes all the way up. Can you see the difference? This kind of raises my eyebrow higher than this one. Can you tell? And this is what I use to get me my shape. So then I go again with this one. And then just fill in the top. Can you see? So again, at the top of this one, just kind of create kind of more of an archy shape. yeah. But sometimes I go a bit too far in the middle, so I just kind of get my bashed up sponge and then just kind of go back. Once I've done that, I go back with a spoolie and just kind of brush up again and just kind of get rid of that harsh line. So guys, my eyebrows are like more important than my makeup, to be honest. I just love my brows. I had them threaded. Oh, please don't tell me my makeup's like... Ugh. Let's fix this. My winged eyeliner's smudged a bit. So yeah, I had them threaded. I don't like them when the people in town do them. I just don't like the way they do them at all. So I just do them myself now. Then I use the this is the Rimmel London pencil in dark brown. And what I do is I draw kind of strokes, high strokes here, but very light. Can you see, just stroking up to create some more kind of hairs. And then I just go back just to kind of perfect that kind of line towards the end of the brow. I just love them. I think they look so cool. So then keep going up. I just love the kind of Chanel model off-duty kind of brow look. I just think they look so good. It just reminds me of like, you know, like the models on kind of magazines. They all look so kind of with the like glossed, wet eyebrows. That look is just life. I'm just loving it. I love it so much. So what I do next, this is actually the last step, guys. It's really quick. I use the Benefit Ready Set Brow. This sets eyebrows. So it's a clear gel that sets the eyebrow. So what I do is I just brush up, and this really locks in the eyebrow. And then I just love eyebrows that go all the way up. There's just something about them, I don't know. They just look so neat and so uniform, so well put together. And this actually makes your eyebrows stay like this for the rest of the day. I just love it. I just absolutely love it. And then again, if I don't feel like the strokes aren't quite strong enough. But I do have to be careful not to go too much in the middle, because I don't want a monobrow. What do we think, guys? That is the look, guys. That is it. That is absolutely it. So, what do we think? 3 products I use. I use this. To be honest, I do need to get another pencil. This is kind of running low, but I don't know what that's for. That kind of brush bit. That worries me slightly. I don't want to put that near my eyebrows. So this is it, guys. I'm trying not to get my horrible nails in it. They're the 3 products I use. Are we in love? Are we not? Very subtle, very, very eye-catching. And so what I'm going to do next, I'm going to do my bronzer. I love bronzer. I could just live for bronzer. I mean, look at the palette, though. It's really, really kind of hit pan. Don't like it. So, just re-bronze my cheeks slightly. I love bronzer. I used to always go in the sunbed, like always. But I don't know, I just stopped. I used to go on my lunch break at work. Can you believe that? And then my forehead again, just on my forehead. And then my jaw. And I just love this. It smells like a dream as well, guys. It really does. And then finally with my trusty Becca highlighter. which is absolutely amazing. Can you see? So it says it's the champagne pop. It's so cool. Love it, love it, love it, love it. And the colour is just incredible. Like, it's just the best. It's one of the best colours ever. Don't know if it's going to focus, but I'm quite obsessed with focusing at the minute. Can you tell? So I've got the M510 brush, Morphe. I'm just going to apply on my cheeks, just the higher. Getting quite spotty lately though, guys. I don't know where that's coming from. Probably all the bloody mukbangs, isn't it? Just love highlighter. Then my nose. Now, people always kind of, and I love the little, people always go for like the Cupid's bow, but I don't like that. I'm trying to get rid of my Cupid's bow with lip fillers. I just don't like eccentric Cupid bows. Then I always do just a tiny bit above my eye socket. I just love that. And then I'm going to do, because I've not got any acrylic on that finger, I'll do just a tiny splodge of highlighter on the corners of my eye. And that, guys, is the look. It's the finished look. I'm just going to apply some more lip gloss. Lip gloss. I need to buy some more, actually. I've not worn this one in a while. I've not really been into lip glosses that much lately. So, guys, that is the finished look. What do we think? Let me know what you think. I think my hair's looking great, isn't it? Straightened it today. What do we think of the brows? I just love them. I think they look so cool. They're not too bushy, they're not too thin, they have a nice shape, and I just love them. So thank you guys for watching this quick eyebrow tutorial. I don't like the word tutorial, because who am I to teach how to do eyebrows? Eyebrows are anyone's kind of, you know, what do we think of this, guys? Eyebrows are everyone's kind of forte. What do we like this little, I think my head's too big for it. Do we think it's cute or not? Use this to keep my hair out of the way. But yeah, eyebrows are everyone's forte. So, you know, who am I to say that it's tutorial? It's just the way I do it. So I guess it's my tutorial for my eyebrows. But please let me know what you think of the tutorial. Do you have a tutorial that you kind of do on your eyebrows? Do you like bushy eyebrows? Do you like thin eyebrows? Like, let me know, because it's taken me so long to fix my eyebrows. For a long time, I had no eyebrows. Literally, I had to pencil them in. Like, it was terrible. And then for a long time, I couldn't be bothered to kind of pluck them. So they were like overly too big. They were like slugs. So now I think I've got the kind of, the ratio right. So I'm going to go now, guys. Please try this foundation. I've done a review on this. I'm obsessed. It's the only thing I'm using actually lately. I need to rebuy the Rihanna one, definitely. So thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Would you like to see a makeup tutorial next? What would you like to see from me? Because I want to bring my channel back onto makeup and stuff like that. But like I said before, there's such a big niche already on makeup. Who's going to click on little old me? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.